Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Under the Sea soap. Those are the colors I'll be using. And this is the lye water going into the oils. The oils I use are all organic and vegan. And I'm just going to get this mixed up without getting it too thick because I'm going to be doing an intricate design. So here is the second container. I'm going to pour some of this into the other container. And this is a color going in. It's going to be blue and the other one is going to be white. I'm just going to mix this in. And this is the fragrance going in. This fragrance smells clean and soft. It's very refreshing and soothing. It's just like the rain. I'm just going to mix this in by hand because I didn't want to risk having it accelerate. And this is the soap mold going propped up against the side of the blue mold there, because I want to do a gradient effect, kind of like an ombre soap. So what I'll be doing is pouring in the blue, adding a little bit of white, pouring it along the side there, then adding a little more white and so on. And I'll speed this footage up because this takes quite a while. I was going for an under the sea look, like if you were under the water and looking up. And I really like how this turned out. And as I go, I'm just adjusting the height there of the mold a little bit. And now I'm replacing that with one of my soap towels so I can adjust the height a little better. And this layer is going to be the water that is closest to the surface. And I'm just having to be more careful about how I use each color. So I'm mixing it in a separate container here to make sure I get a lighter and lighter blue. I like how the top of the soap looks right now. It reminds me of waves hitting the beach. And here I'm just marking the mold so I'll know which way to cut the soap loaf after I unmold it. And I'm going to add this shiny blue to the top. I wanted to give each bar a pretty top, a pretty swirl on top. And I'm just going to add that swirl. I like how watery the swirl looks on top of the soap. And here it is up close. And here we are about 24 hours later to slice the soap bars. And this is how it looks on the inside. I think it came out really pretty. It really does make me think of being under the water. And I like how the light comes in from that corner. It's really pretty and watery looking. I'm really happy with how this turned out. These bars are part of my Magical March collection. So the bars will be available on March 1st if you'd like one. If you enjoyed these videos, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. These little end pieces here I cut up and turn into sample bars. I'll go ahead and show some of the final pictures of the soap. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.